LTECH's new release, Microwave Motion Sensor, provide more than just illumination for you. With this compact sensor, smart home devices will make your life automated. Devices switch on when you enter the room and off when you leave. Let you truly experience the whole house smart linkage. LTECH ceiling-mounted microwave motion sensor adopts Bluetooth 5.0 SIG mesh. It can connect to a Bluetooth driver, a dolly driver, or a 0 to 10 volt driver as well. It supports both wired and wireless control. Through dip switches, you can set sensitivity, hold time, standby period, daylight threshold, and output signal. You can also set above sensor parameters quickly using an IR remote. Now, let's see how this sensor works for home automation. First, long press the reset button, then start to connect with the app. Open the app to search for the sensor and add it. Sensor parameters we just mentioned, like sensitivity, standby period / dimming, daylight threshold, can also be set up via the app. Set a local scene and the sensor's trigger conditions, then remote linkage can be performed. When an occupant gets home and motions are detected, home mode will be executed. When an occupant leaves home and no motion is detected, away mode will be executed. When the sensor does not detect a motion, devices stay on for 5 minutes before they switch off. And lights remain at a low light level within the standby period of 10 minutes. When the standby period ends, all lights in the house switch off. LTECH Microwave Motion Sensor. Smart linkage brings more possibilities.